Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with what matters: principal, rate, term, and contribution pattern. Enter the current balance, then set the annual interest rate as a percent. Next, choose compounding frequency annually, monthly, or daily because compounding changes outcomes. If you plan recurring deposits, switch to the contribution mode and enter amount, interval, and start date. Once done, confirm the time horizon in years. This anchors projections. Make sure to pick the right currency and adjust for fees if the calculator supports them. Now run the initial calculation and inspect results: final value, total contributions, and total interest earned. If available, toggle start versus end of period for contributions. This shifts returns noticeably. Then add realistic adjustments, subtract expected fees, enter an inflation percent, and include tax treatment when possible to get a net projection. Once refined, use the scenario compare feature to run multiple rates or schedules side by side. This reveals which variable most. Finish by saving and exporting the scenario, and write down your assumptions so you can revisit them later. Then stress test the plan. Rerun with 1% higher and lower rates, and try changing contribution frequency to see sensitivity. If results look incorrect, stop and verify 3 common issues: compounding frequency, whether contributions are entered at period start versus end, and any negative sign for withdrawals. If the calculator still misbehaves, restart the app or use a spreadsheet to reproduce the math manually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.